In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate email text to a different language in Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to translate an entire message, just a portion of text content you are composing, and how to turn on automatic translation. So messages arrive in your preferred language. Let's start with translating a full message you've received. Open the email you want to read, then look at the ribbon at the top of Outlook. Click Translate. If you don't see the button, you can also right-click anywhere in the body of the message and choose Translate Message. Outlook will instantly present the translation so you can read the content in a language you understand. This is especially helpful when you need the whole email in context, like project updates or detailed instructions. If you only need a specific sentence or paragraph, you don't have to translate the entire message. Highlight the text you want to understand, right-click, and select Translate. The translation will appear right there in the context menu, which keeps you focused on the exact portion you care about. It's a fast way to check a phrase without changing the rest of the view. You can also translate while you are composing an email. If you've typed content in one language and want to convert it before sending, select the text, go to the Message tab on the ribbon and choose Translate. Right. Clicking and choosing Translate works here, too. This is great for ensuring clarity and tone before you hit send. Especially when writing to international colleagues or clients, always give the translated text a quick review to confirm. It says exactly what you intend. If you prefer a hands-off approach, turn on automatic translation. Inside a message, choose Turn on automatic translation or Always translate. Outlook will then translate incoming emails to your preferred language automatically, saving you a step. You can set or adjust that preferred language in File, then Options, then Language, or by opening translation preferences directly when prompted. This only affects what you see in Outlook. It doesn't change the original message content. That's it for translating email text in Outlook. Thanks for watching.